Cairns South Medicare Urgent Care Clinic is located in Edmonton. We're 20 minutes from the CBD of Cairns.
A Medicare Urgent Care Clinic is when you need attention for an illness or injury that doesn't quite warrant a trip to the emergency department, but you can't wait to see your regular GP.
Things like minor cuts, minor burns, lacerations, viral illnesses, fevers, urinary tract infections. Those are the type of the things that we commonly see in a Medicare Urgent Care Clinic.
So when you come to the Cairns South Medicare Urgent Care Clinic, it's not like a GP practice, you don't make an appointment.
Patients will be triaged by our highly trained registered nurses. They'll be seen by a general practitioner who can organise tests such as pathology or imaging or ultrasound, which we have on site.
For someone who is not sure whether their condition is appropriate for the Cairns South Medicare Urgent Care Clinic, we want to refer them to our website because it's actually got a list of all the things that we do treat. We've got some great services and it's a really wonderful addition to the community.